We obsess over the number on the scale. We celebrate when it drops fast. We cry when it goes back up. We call this yo-yo dieting. Welcome to Levitas. But while you are looking at your waistline, you are ignoring the organ that actually controls it. These two bean-shaped organs, your kidneys, are the unsung heroes of your metabolism. They don't just filter pee. They regulate your blood pressure, they control your water retention, that puffy look you hate, and they manage the acidity of your blood. Here is the scary truth emerging in 2025 science. Radical crash dieting doesn't just burn fat and muscle, it also assaults your kidneys. And when your kidneys get stressed, they retaliate. They ruin your metabolism to protect you. Today, we are going to explore the Kidney-Waistline Connection. We're going to talk about why high fructose corn syrup is basically kidney poison, why creatinine on your blood test might be scaring you unnecessarily, and how a tiny pinch of baking soda might be the athlete's secret weapon. Let's protect the filter. And also please hit the like button and leave a comment. This is a really easy way to help the channel. Let's start with the yo-yo. You decide to lose 20 pounds in a month. You starve yourself. You do endless cardio, the weight drops. But what is actually happening inside? When you lose weight that rapidly, you are breaking down fat cells, but you are also catabolizing, or breaking down, muscle tissue and cellular structures. This rapid breakdown releases a massive flood of waste products into the blood. The most dangerous one? Uric acid. Your kidneys have to filter this sludge. When uric acid gets too high, it can crystallize. We know this causes gout in the joints, but it also causes intrarenal damage. It scratches and scars the delicate filters inside the kidney. A 2024 review indicated that repeated cycles of rapid weight loss followed by regain can lead to permanent decline in kidney function. When your kidneys sense this stress, they send a hormonal signal: we are under attack. Slow down the metabolism. Conserve energy. So, your crash diet works for a month, but it damages the engine, ensuring that you gain the weight back, plus interest, the moment you back to eating again. Have you ever woken up, looked in the mirror, and felt uncomfortably puffy? Your face is swollen, your rings are tight, your belly feels distended. You think, I gained fat. You didn't. You gained water. And your kidneys are responsible. Your kidneys are the master chemists of your blood volume. They use a system called the Renin-Angiotensin-Aldosterone system. When your kidneys are unhappy, maybe they are dehydrated or inflamed from a bad diet, they panic. They think you are bleeding out or dying of thirst. So, they release aldosterone. Aldosterone tells the body to hold on to every drop of sodium. Do not let water leave. This creates high blood pressure, also known as hypertension, because your blood vessels are overfilled. This is why kidney health is waistline health. If your kidneys are stressed, you will always look inflamed and puffy, no matter how much you diet. You cannot burn off this puffiness. You have to heal the kidneys so they feel safe enough to release the water. Now, we have to talk about the diet enemy number 1. It's not salt. It's high fructose corn syrup, or HFCS. We know sugar makes you fat. But specifically, fructose is a kidney killer. Unlike glucose, which every cell in your body can use for energy, fructose is metabolized almost entirely in the liver. This process is energy expensive. It depletes your cell's energy, your ATP. When ATP is depleted, the byproduct is, you guessed it, uric acid. High fructose corn syrup is a direct pipeline to kidney stones. Kidney stones aren't just painful rocks, they are calcified evidence of metabolic dysfunction. A study published recently showed that even in people without stones, high fructose intake increased markers of kidney injury by 30%, which is a lot. If you are drinking soda and wondering why your lower back hurts and your weight won't budge, this is the link. You are calcifying your filter, your kidneys. So, how do we clean the filter? We need to talk about hydration, but not in the boring drink 8 glasses way. We need to talk about filtration pressure. The functional unit of the kidney is the nephron. Inside it is a tiny filter called the glomerulus. It works on pressure. If you are dehydrated, your blood becomes thick and viscous, the pressure drops. The kidney cannot push the toxins through the mesh. The toxins circulate back into your blood. When you are properly hydrated, you maintain the hydrostatic pressure required to force metabolic waste, urea and ammonia, out of the blood and into the urine. This is why water is the best detox supplement on earth. You don't need a green juice cleanse. You need enough water to keep the pressure washer running smoothly. If you go to the gym, or if you eat a high-protein diet, you might have had a scare at the doctor's office. You get your blood test back, and your doctor says, your creatinine is high. Your kidneys might be failing. Let's clear this up. Creatinine is a waste product of muscle breakdown. If you have more muscle than the average person, or if you eat a lot of protein, your baseline creatinine will be higher. This does not automatically mean kidney failure. The number you need to look at is eGFR, the estimated glomerular filtration rate, and Cystatin C. Cystatin C is a much better marker because it is not influenced by muscle mass. So, do not stop eating protein because you are afraid of hurting your kidneys. Unless you have a pre-existing kidney disease, a high-protein diet is absolutely safe. Just make sure you are looking at the right data points. Finally, I want to give you a tool that endurance athletes are using to protect their kidneys and improve performance. It's sitting in your fridge right now. Baking soda, the sodium bicarbonate. When you exercise hard, you produce acids, like lactate and hydrogen ions. This makes your blood acidic. And your kidneys have to work overtime to buffer this acid to keep your pH stable. Small doses of baking soda act as an alkaline buffer. Taking a tiny amount, we are talking 1/8 of a teaspoon in water, before a hard workout can help neutralize the acid load. This reduces the stress on the kidneys and can actually delay muscle fatigue, improving your performance as well. But remember to be careful. Too much will cause stomach upset. Start very, very small. But it is a fascinating example of how simple chemistry can support your biology and physical performance. The doctor's verdict: sustainable or nothing. Here is the bottom line. You cannot have a healthy metabolism with unhealthy kidneys. They are the gatekeepers. If you abuse them with crash diets, dehydration, and processed fructose or junk food, they will lock down your system to survive. Stop the yo-yo dieting. Stop the crash dieting. Focus on slow, sustainable fat loss. Drink water like your life depends on it, because it really does. And cut the liquid sugar. Your kidneys are resilient. Give them a break, and they will give you back your energy and an improved metabolism. Watch this video suggestion, it was especially picked for you. Also share, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It helps a ton with the algorithm. Remain tuned for future videos to empower your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.